How's it going, A-ROK team? Today I bring you something a bit different. My friends over at Betopper have sent me over this amazing light to review, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. But before, I like to thank my 22,000 subscribers. Woohoo! And we're growing, baby. Thank you guys so much for your likes, shares, and comments. But before, I'm gonna tell you all about the star of today. We got the LC500 by Betopper. Let me tell you some more and why you need to get it. Wow. This light is an absolute game changer for anyone who loves professional blinders because it's like having a mini sun in your rig. First off, let's talk about the power. This beast packs 4 100-watt cob LEDs that's chip on board that pump out a blinding 13,000 lums of pure eye watering brightness. Whether you're doing a concert, theater gig, or backyard party, it floods the space with light that'll make your visuals pop like you've never seen before. And that color? Oh man, with that high CRI rating of 95, plus the killer amber and cool white combo, every hue looks true to life. No washed out vibes over here, baby. It's versatile too. Switch between warm amber glows for intimate moods or crisp, cool whites for high energy strobes. All with smooth DMX control for pro level syncing built in. Built like a tank, it's solid as a rock with a compact aluminum housing that stays cool even after hours of blasting and easy mounting. I hooked it up in less than 5 minutes. And the strobe effect? Insane. Fast flickers for hype drops or slow pulses for dramatic builds. Battery life? Not here, baby. It's AC powered. It draws efficiently without spiking your electric bill. Downside? At 500 watts total, it's not exactly portable for on-the-go hikes, but it works without an issue. It is controlled by auto, sound, DMX, and master slave. And it has a lifespan of 50,000 hours. Did I say it's a DMX 12 channel? Oh yes. And it is 17 pounds. If you're a DJ, event planner, or just love lights, grab the LC500 from Betopper. You won't regret it. Head to their website via link in the description and use the affiliation code for 10% off. Full details in the comment box below. A-ROK team, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment with your wildest light stories, and subscribe for more lighting and DJ mixes. We're pushing for 25K, so hit that like button and your notifications too, because you don't want to miss the next mix. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That was the LC500 blinder by Betopper. So if you like it and you're interested, click on the link below, save yourself some money, tell them DJ A-ROK sent you, and we'll see you guys on the next mix.